Hi, my name is Alexander and welcome to Schmiedmann. Today is going to be about turbochargers, not as a tuning part but as a spare part. Downsizing of engines has been around for almost 2 decades now. Well, like it or not, that makes a turbocharger really relevant. Almost all BMW and Mini engines are fitted these days with a turbocharger. Well, at least one. For instance, the BMW G30 M550 diesel has 4 of them, which of course increases performance dramatically compared to if the engine didn't have any turbos. But as I mentioned, as Schmiedmann, we offer turbochargers as a spare part and as a tuning part. We offer at Schmiedmann everything you need in turbochargers from every manufacturer out there almost, like JP Group and Mitsubishi. There's actually a fun fact with Mitsubishi, but I'll get back to that later. Let's take a closer look on a turbocharger from Mitsubishi. Here it is, the box of the Mitsubishi turbocharger, and I actually promised you a fun fact about Mitsubishi turbochargers, and it is that they actually deliver turbochargers directly to BMW for them to install in their cars. Well, this makes Mitsubishi turbochargers and this turbocharger in particular OE quality. Let's have a further look here. On top of the box we have the syringe here with oil in it. Really important for these when started up, these turbochargers, to have a protective oil film because they run with upwards of 200,000 RPM, which is a lot more than a car engine, and you won't run your car without any oil in it, would you? So please make sure the oil film is provided. Let's open the lid here and have a closer look what's inside. Well, it's important for us to deliver protected goods here, so we have this sealed air, of course. Here we have it, the turbocharger itself in its plastic bag. Let's get it out of the box and out of the plastic bag and have a closer look. This Mitsubishi turbocharger fits these models, and of course Schmiedmann.com delivers everything in turbochargers at the right low prices as always. I know that we have a turbocharger for your BMW or Mini at the right low price, and of course as always with worldwide shipping. It would really mean a lot to me and the Schmiedmann team if you liked, shared, commented and subscribed to our content, which makes it possible for us to improve and keep it entertaining for you guys. Have a good one.